this before, never wanna do this again. Wrong turn on a dusty road, I did it to myself, I can't pretend. Well, I learned just a little too late. Good God, I must have been blind. She got me for everything, everything, everything. Alright, like my daddy, I'm a gambling man. Never been afraid to roll the dice, but when I put my bet on her, little Miss Snake Eyes ruined my life. She better see but one eye open, better make sure to lock her doors. 'Cause once I get my hands on her, I'm a ooh. Natalie, she ran away with all my money, and she did it for fun. Natalie, she's probably out there thinking it's funny, telling everyone, well, I'm digging a ditch for this gold-digging bitch. Watch out, she's quick. Look out for a pretty little thing in Natalie. If you see her, tell her I'm coming. She better run. The good Lord better bless your soul, 'cause I done already cursed your name. Don't matter which way you go, payback's gonna come your way. You'll be begging me, please, 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 and I'ma look at you and laugh, laugh, laugh. Why you sit there and cry for me, cry for me, cry for me all night? I'll spend a lifetime in jail. That's what I'll do. I'll be smiling in my cell, thinking about you. Can't nobody save you now, so there ain't no use in trying. Once I get my hands on you, I'm a ooh. Natalie, she ran away with all my money, and she did it for fun. Natalie, she's probably out there thinking it's funny, telling everyone, well, I'm digging a ditch for this gold-digging bitch. Watch out, she's quick. Look out for a pretty little thing in Natalie. If you see her, tell her I'm coming. She better
There we go.
I should've known
Okay.
better. I should've known better. 'Cause when we were together, she never said forever. I'm the fool that played in her game. Hey, Natalie, she ran away with all my money, and she did it for fun. Natalie, she's probably out there thinking it's funny, telling everyone, well, I'm digging a ditch for this gold-digging bitch. Watch out, she's quick. Look out for a pretty little thing named Natalie. If you see her, tell her I'm coming. She better run.
First verse, I'm armed till I'm on an island. My life's riding on an autobahn, on autopilot. Before I touch dirt or kill y'all with kindness, I kill ya. My natural persona's much worse. You've been warned if you've been born or if you conform. Slap up a cop and then snatch him out of his uniform. Leave him with his socks, hard bottoms, and bloomers on. And hanging by his balls from the horn of a unicorn. Y'all niggas intellect mad slow, y'all fags know. Claiming you banging, you flaming. Bet you can light your own cigarette with your asshole. Me and Shady dead at the past, so that basically resurrected my cash flow. I might rap tight as the snatch of a fat dyke, though I ain't rap tight. My blood type's the 80s, my 90s was like the Navy, you was like the Brady's. You still fly kites daily.
Catch me in my Mercedes, bumping ice, ice, baby, screaming shady till I die. Like I have a paradise, life's crazy, so I live it till the fullest, till I'm Swayze, and you only live it once. So I'm thinking about this nice, nice land. Wait, don't stop me now before I get on a roll. Let me tell you what this pretty little dame's name is, 'cause she's kinda famous, and I hope that I don't sound too heinous when I say this. Nicki Minaj, what I wanna stick my penis in your anus. You morons think that I'm a genius, really I belong inside a dang insane asylum. Can't try them trailer parks crazy, I am back and I am razor sharp, baby, in this back with a capital B with an exclamation mark. Maybe you should listen when I flip the linguistics, 'cause I wanna rip this mystical slick shit. You don't wanna become another victim or statistic of this shit, 'cause after I spit the bullets, I'ma treat these shell cake scenes like a
poets to be relaxed in orbit at war with a bottle as Captain Morgan attacks my organs. My slow flow is euphoric, it's like I rap endorphins. I made a pact with the devil that says I'll let you take me, you let me take a shovel, dig up the corpse of Jack Kevorkian. Go back and forfeit, more beef than you can pack a fork in. I'm living the life of the infinite enemy down. My tenement chimney now, the semi-serenity pal. Spin him around, entering in the vicinity.
Now I was calling him in, but he threw away the candy and ate the rap. I chewed him up and spitted him out. Girl, get up, now get down. He's looking around this club and it looks like people are having a shit fit now. Yeah, little trailer trash, take a look who's back and tip to town. Did I sister start a motherfucker? Fuck them all, he's just the whole motherfucking Walmart. Get it down every time he comes up round. And he came to the club tonight with 5'9" to hold this bitch down. Like a motherfucking chick in the water, he's trying to trick to drown. Shorty, when you dance, you got me captivated. Just by the way that you keep licking them dicks like a lips, I'm agitated, aggravated. To the point you don't suck my dick, then you're gonna get decapitated. Other words, you don't fucking give me head, then I'ma have to take
and
it.
And after taking that, I'ma catch your case, it's gonna be fascinating. This gon' say the whole rap game passed away on top of the affidavit. Graduated from master debater / massive masturbator to Michael Jackson's activator. Meaning I'm on fire off the top, might wanna back up data. Rolling over hip hop in a verbal tractor trailer. Homie, they sick, you can normally